Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing with you how to make some beautiful candle holders for Valentine's Day. These candle holders are very simple to make and very affordable, as all of the items are from the Dollar Tree. You can also get your glitters from Michael's Craft Store. If you have all your supplies and you're ready to start, then continue to watch, and if you're new, then click that subscribe button down below. The first thing we're going to do is open up this 4-pack of small dishes and remove at least 3 of them. You will need 3 to complete 1 candle holder. Now we're going to pour Mod Podge into our dishes to coat, and then we're going to sprinkle a lot of glitter inside. This is going to give us a glittery inside dish. Now, don't be scared to be generous when you're pouring in your glitter. Pour in an ample amount. Also, make sure you have some type of paper down below so that you can kind of really give this a good shake. I started off without my paper, but I did apply it down once I realized that I didn't have it down there. But continue to coat and reapply until the inside is completely coated with glitter. Now repeat for the next dish. You should have a total of 2 glittered dishes. Now that your dishes are dry, this is what you should end up with. It is very beautiful. If you see any white specks, don't worry. That Mod Podge will dry clear when it's completely dry. We're now going to take some E6000, and on our clear dish, we're going to turn it upside down. And on the bottom part, we're going to apply some E6000 as well as some hot glue to bond our glitter top to the top of it. So we're going to match the bottoms together. Our next step is to take another clear dish and to secure it on top of the glitter dish to close it. I'm going to use both E6000 and hot glue to do this. Now here comes the fun part, adding bling. I'm going to take some strip of bling ribbon and I am going to just wrap it around my candle holder, the dishes, and a lot of other places. So make sure that you get you some bling wrap. You can find bling wrap almost anywhere. My bling wrap I purchased from Totally Dazzled. There is a link for you to purchase through them down in the description box below. Please feel free to use it to receive a discount. Also, you can find bling wrap at the Dollar Tree. You can find it in most craft stores as well as Walmart. But I really love the shine of this particular brand bling wrap. If you're looking for a more glamorous look, then add more bling. Add as much bling as you like or leave off as much as you like. It is totally up to you. Now I'm going to use some permanent glue and hot glue again to prep my glass for my bigger candle holder piece, which is this glass piece here. Now I like to turn it upside down so that I can get more of an accurate placement when I'm placing my items on to the bottom portion of something. So now we have that secured. We can begin to add our red and our clear gems. You can find these gems at the Dollar Tree. Okay, you guys, so once I started putting on my gems, I used hot glue. You can use permanent glue, but I chose to use hot glue. I chose to put them on with the candle holder upright. It was a little difficult, so then I thought to flip it upside down like this and then attach them this way. They seem to work a little bit better for me. So it's just a little tip for you guys if you're struggling trying to place the gems because of the gap between the two pieces. If you're struggling, then turn it upside down. It may be a little bit easier for you this way. Back at the bling again, I am taking a 2-strip row of bling wrap, and I am going to make a little design on my candle holder. Since it is Valentine's Day, I figured I would make some X's across the globe of the candle holder to kind of give it in with the theme of Valentine's Day, like X's and O's. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do that all the way around this particular candle holder. I'm adding it with hot glue. Very simple and easy. I'm just taking it from the very top of the globe down to the very bottom of it. And to finish off the look, I add a single strip of bling to the bottom of the candle holder. Now you guys, this finished the look, and I hope you guys enjoy how it came out. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share the video with your family and your friends. I hope that it was helpful in helping you complete a beautiful centerpiece for Valentine's Day. This is the final look, you guys. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and click the subscribe button now. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.